Hello everyone, back with me again in this channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to add a fragment clone effect to your video in Capcut. So in here, just add your video and go to video effect, click on opening and closing, and then select the fade in effect. So you can, this is optional, but I'm going to add it anyway. Okay, just click on a check icon and put it like this. And after that, go to where you want the clone effect to start, and then go to the video to body effects, clone, and then select the fragment clone here. You can adjust the effect as you like. Here I'm going to go intensity 100 and then speed 6. And after that, just click on a check icon, and if you want, you can also add a fade out effect at the end of your clips. So go to video effect, opening and closing, and find the fade out effect. Okay, so now you are done, and here is the result. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click like, thanks, and also subscribe. Bye.